Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make circle paths in Planet Zoo. First, select the Path tool and ensure grid snapping is enabled. This helps align your path segments accurately. Choose a path type like asphalt or dirt that fits your zoo's theme. We'll focus on creating a smooth, visually appealing circular shape using simple techniques. Get ready to enhance your guest areas with beautiful, flowing pathways. To begin, open the Path menu and click the grid icon to activate grid snapping. This is crucial for an easy method. Place your initial path segment at a clear grid intersection. Now, decide on your circle's radius. For example, a radius of 4 grid squares creates a nice, open area. This foundational step ensures your circle will be symmetrical and well-proportioned. With your first segment down, extend the path by clicking on adjacent grid points, forming a quarter circle. Imagine a central point and keep your path segments equidistant from it. Continue this process, creating smooth arcs. For a full circle, you'll connect 4 quarter circle segments. Take your time to ensure each click aligns perfectly with the grid for a seamless look. Once your circle is complete, you can refine it. Use the Path Editing tool to adjust the width, making it wider for main thoroughfares or narrower for decorative accents. Don't forget to add essential amenities like benches, bins, and lights to enhance guest experience. Finally, connect your new circular path to other areas of your zoo, integrating it smoothly into your overall layout. Enjoy your perfectly circular path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.